Yeah, saturated right
body
now.
armor here.
Oh, there he is. Jigsaw right there. Live thing. I'm getting hit.
Easy, you know I got your back.
I don't know if there was any more. But
It sounded like he was talking to his guys, so there might be more around.
Okay.
there's a truck in there.
More armor right here. Never mind.
They're under us.
Yeah, they're inside. They're inside
Yeah,
this building.
yeah.
Oh, right here, right here.
Oh, there he is, on your roof.
Oh, reloading.
Dang it.
Right.
Go in here.
Okay, get down the area.
Hang on, Pana. I got you.
Oh shit, I fell off. Damn it, I fell off. Shit, he's right there, live thing.
Oh, the fucking drop shot! Did you see that, Phil?
Is that it?
That was disgusting.
You absolute legend. Suit up, boot up, hit your load down, and I'll see you in the drop zone.